Hey geeks, in this video we will see how can we upload our projects on GitHub. So the prerequisite for that is we should be having Git installed on your system, and we will use Visual Studio Code to make the process easier, and we will be storing our project inside a demo folder. You can store inside whatever folder you want to, and see this is our project user control. Okay, we will be uploading this project on GitHub. Okay, so I have created a GitHub profile, and this is the home page of my GitHub profile, and we will go to the repositories section and we will create a new repository. Okay, and you can provide whatever name you want to, but I will suggest you to provide a relevant name to the project, and I'm providing it as a test because I'm trying to show you for testing purpose. So you can create admin file here, but as of now I'm not creating anything. You can go ahead with creating repository, and it's processing, and it will be creating a fresh repository inside our GitHub profile. Okay, so this is my constructor 5009 is the the username, and this is the repository, the test repository, which is created now, and we will be using this address to upload our project to this repository. Okay, so now let's open Visual Studio Code, and we will be opening the folder that we want to upload on GitHub. So let's open the folder which is on the desktop. So this is the demo folder. Select folder, and it is opening up. Yeah, it has opened up. Now we will use this terminal. Okay, so to run the command of GitHub, it's processing. Yeah, now we are good to go with the commands. Okay, so first of all we have to make this repository the local repository of GitHub. For that we need Git Init command. So what this Git Init command will do, this will create a .git folder inside our demo folder, which will dictate that this is a GitHub local repository. So now we will go ahead with running this command. So this has created a GitHub repository, local repository inside our demo. So we can also check it here. So as the file is hidden, .git file, we can see here in hidden items. So as you can see, this is .git folder. So let's get back to the commands. Now you can see user control, that is our project name, is active, which is showing in green. Okay, now we will go ahead with adding all these files that we want to upload. So we want to upload all the files inside this user control folder. So we'll use dot. So dot will add all the files inside user control folder. Now we will commit the changes using git commit -m, and we have to provide some relevant message inside it. So I'm gonna provide it as initial commit. Okay, now we can go ahead with entering. Okay, so it has committed all the changes to the local repository, and now we have to connect our local GitHub repository, that is the demo repository. I should say the demo folder that we are having on our system, with the remote repository, that is the GitHub repository. And what is the name of the GitHub repository is test, that we have just created. This is the repository. We have to copy this address because we have to upload it here, and we have to connect it with our folder, this demo folder. So for that we will use the command git space remote space origin space the address that we have just copied from the remote repository. Now we will hit enter. See what it is showing, error unknown submit origin. Okay, so we have forget to use add command, get remote add origin and the address of the repository. Okay, now we are good to go. Okay, so it has connected our local repository with the GitHub repository. So as you can see, the changes has done. Okay, so we have to push all the contents inside our local repository to the remote GitHub repository. As of now, you can see nothing has been changed inside our remote directory. So we will go ahead and execute this command, get space push. So push is to push all the files in our local repository to the remote repository which is on GitHub. So get push and origin. Okay, and the branch name, so I'm providing it as master. You can also provide as main. Okay, now it will be pushing all the files which is locally stored to the GitHub. So as you can see, it's saying that all the files has successfully been uploaded to GitHub. Now we'll go to the GitHub and we will refresh the page to see the changes. So as you can see, the folder that we have to upload from this local demo folder, this is the local repository and this is the remote repository on GitHub. We have successfully uploaded our project on GitHub. So that's it for this video, guys. I will be providing some of the important links and the commands inside the description section, so please go and check, and thank you for your patience. Happy learning.